Douyin, Korean, and Igari makeup, they are not the same. They're all very different. They all come from different countries. They all have different styles and different techniques. Douyin makeup is from China. Korean makeup, obviously, is from Korea. And Igari makeup is from Japan. And to summarize each makeup style in one word, Douyin makeup is more dramatic, Korean makeup is more natural, and Igari makeup is more doll-like or very cute. Each of the three makeup styles have different focal points as well. So Douyin makeup, the focal point is the eyes. Korean makeup, the focal point are the lips. And Igari makeup, the focal point are the cheeks. Now amongst the three, Douyin makeup is the boldest style of makeup. Like I said, it's very dramatic. Because Douyin makeup places heavy emphasis on the eyes, so the eyeshadows and the lashes. And I'm sure you've heard of the manhwa lashes, that's where it comes from. It's Chinese, it's Douyin makeup. And in a lot of Douyin makeup styles, you'll see a lot of shimmers, a lot of glitter. And like I said, for the Korean makeup style, the focal point lies in the lips, which is why you've been seeing the famous gradient lip look for that plump, natural lip effect. Now when it comes to Korean makeup, I'm sure you've heard of olljang makeup. That was a makeup style that was very popular back then, but nowadays Koreans focus on a more natural makeup look, which is what the Korean makeup style is focused around. Now Korean makeup focuses on all things natural, focusing mainly, like I said, on the lips, but also on the base, which is why you won't see heavy eyeshadow looks, heavy contours, or heavy blushes. And if eyeshadows are used, they're usually in more muted shades, and instead there's heavy focus on keeping the base light, soft, and natural. So focusing on having a glowy base. So they are lovers of the no makeup look and like the barely there makeup. And lastly, Igari makeup. This style of makeup is also pretty natural. However, because the focal point is different, the makeup techniques are different. In a lot of Igari makeup looks, you'll see a lot of heavy focus on the blush and spreading the blush across the cheeks, across the nose to get more like that cute, youthful appearance. So to summarize, all three are pretty different. Obviously, all three styles are very different from Western makeup, but they do differ within each other. And the style of makeup between the three that you want to go for really depends on what kind of makeup look you're going for that day.